Hello students and good morning to one and all. Students, I have written in this here the subject is English. I have written here some points. Yes, I have written some points here. Before reading, during reading and after reading. In the last section what we have seen? We have seen a story about the Ben. Ben means a boy whose name is Ben. What was he doing? He want to celebrate the Christmas. Yes, he want to celebrate the Christmas. So that time what he want his father to be with him. But his father, because he have some work, where he was going from England to Australia that time. Okay. Then after that, what Ben was doing, his mother told him that don't worry about that. You write a letter to the Santa Claus. So what he did, he wrote a letter to the Santa Claus and he kept down the pillow. And after that, the next day, what he did, he was doing the breakfast. What was he doing? He was doing the breakfast. That time what? The one car came inside the house. What he saw? The car came inside the house. Means his father came near the door. That time he saw his father. When he saw his father, he was very happy. So when father told that the weather was not good, so he can't travel. So what he did? He came back home. Okay. So when we were telling the story, in that story, we are telling this, when we are telling some story, that time what we are doing? We are doing some, means in that some what thing is there. Before reading, what you are reading, that before means what in the story is happening from the beginning, and during the story what happened, and after the story what happened. So what we are doing? We are asking some questions. Yes, you are asking some questions when the story is there. So what in that story, what we will see that why his father came back, why what work do his father have, where he was going. Yes, and why he was very sad. Yes, after that, when he came. Yes, these all questions have to ask. When we are seeing the story, that time we are having some questions in our mind. So in this section what we will do? We will means in this section we will do asking questions. Yes, what is the point in that? Asking questions. Means in this what the point is, we are asking the some questions during the story. Yes, why he is going there, which place are you going, and what place you are going, what are you doing, and when we have some problems or what, that time we are asking some questions about the story. So in this section what we will see, why is the word that we want here. Yes, why is the main word that we are asking about the questions when we are doing that time. Okay, where he is going. Yes, where he is going, what place he is going, then when you are coming, who is coming, and why he is doing, why it is happened, or why he is coming. So these are some points with when we are asking some questions. These are the points. With the help of this point we are asking about the story. Yes, so when we are what is the question we ask, what do we ask? So these are the questions we have to ask. Mean where he is going, what he is doing. These are the some questions. When do we ask the question? What, where, why, when? Why you are asking these questions? Yes, friends. When we ask what, when we are asking what, we want to know about the thing. When we are asking this what, when we want something, so that we are asking what. Yes. After that, where, means where the place he is going. He is going from England to Australia. So we are asking where he is going. Yes. After that, who. After that, who means who is the person. Who is the person? What about the person we are asking? Means about the person we are asking. And who and why he came back. Why his father came back. Means we are asking about why he did not went there. What was the problem? Yes. So these 5 questions we are asking that time to the so when we are saying that story. After that, when we are going to the movie, when we are going to the movie means when we are going to the movie, so we are asking our parents when we are going this week or next week. Yes, you are asking like that questions. Okay. So for example, means what you have in your hand. What you have in your hand. We are asking like this questions. Yes. What do you have in your hand? Where are we going? Means when you are traveling, then where are we going? And why means why it is happened. About something happened means in that story what we have seen, because the weather was not clear, he cannot go. So why he did not went? So these are the questions we have to ask during when the story is going. Means before the story, between the before the story, and during the story, and after the story. Means these questions we are having in our mind. So when we are asking our parents also, that time we are asking like this, का आपण जात नाहीये. Yes. आपण कुठे जातोय. Yes. And then काय तुझ्या हातात. So like this some questions we are asking to our parents also. So these are the types of questions we are asking to everyone. If we are asking to teacher also, we have this in our mind, we are asking to them. When I have told about the Ben, the story of the Ben, why he want to celebrate the Christmas, why he wanted to celebrate that Christmas, when we are celebrating that Christmas. So these are some types of questions we have in your mind. So when are you celebrating that festival? Yes. So these are the questions what we have in our mind, and during the story, before the story, and after the story, we have something. So now you understand why we are asking these questions and what type of question we are asking. Okay, student. Thank you for this.